morning from Indiana, you guys. So I left my Airbnb very early. Well, I didn't really leave early, but I left in a rush because I was basically filming it until I had to check out, and then I just got on the road and I headed here. We are about to check out what I think is an abandoned amusement park, which is what the internet said. I don't know how much is here. I really couldn't find too many pictures of it online, so we're going to go figure it out for ourselves. Let's go do some exploring. Very amusement parky. Well, I walked for about a mile and that structure was the only thing I saw. So I guess we're going back. Granted, it might still be there. It's just a longer hike than I was expecting. I have to get to my hotel quite quickly today to upload a project. So back on the road. Okay guys, you know, sometimes that just happens. That actually happens to me a lot. I think something's gonna be cool and then I either can't find it or it's closed or etc. Getting back on the road. I wanted to go to Santa Claus, Indiana, because that just sounds really funny, but I'm just a little nervous. People look at me very strangely in the middle of the country. They see my blue hair, my tattoos, and they just make assumptions about me. The lady today at the gas station wouldn't even look or talk to me. Like, she talked to everybody else who was in line before me, and then I got up to the counter. I was like, how's it going? Nothing. Just rang me up, didn't say anything, bye. I was just like, rude. I'm so polite. I don't understand, but you know, people just make their assumptions about me. Let's see how it goes. Road tripping. Man, I left, this whole crew pulls up. One guy is definitely a park ranger, or he's dressed like one for no reason. But I got here and there was nobody here. Also, I couldn't find a place to pay, so I didn't pay, and then I was afraid he was gonna look at my car. There's a lot going on today, but yet nothing at all. Oh my goodness, I just passed a sign that said Amish buffet. That sounds so interesting, and I wanna go. But I don't, because I just don't wanna be stared at. We're gonna talk about this in the hotel. Y'all, do you see this truck right now? We are going 23 in a 55. He can't even fit on the road. I don't know if you can see his tire basically in the grass. What? Why is this on the road? This shouldn't even be on the road. What the actual hell? I'm the only one that's not passing the truck. Oh my God, I'm terrified. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I hate this. This is awful. I need to go somewhere else. I gotta turn somewhere. Well, my guy just stopped in the middle of the road, so we're going now. That was awful. I hate that. Why? It's fine, everything's fine, but why? Okay, so I decided to continue recording this vlog the next day. And I'm glad I did, because more things have happened. It's like, I get it, but at the same time, I don't get it. Because I don't judge people by the way that they look. I will be nice to anybody if they're nice to me. I don't care what you do for a living, what your beliefs are, your religion. It doesn't matter. If you're a good person and you're nice to me, I like you. It's just, I hate every time I walk into a gas station in the Midwest, like the whole vibe changes. People just look at me like I'm a monster or from a different planet, like they have never seen somebody with blue hair and tattoos before, which I find very hard to believe. There's no way that there's no punk people living out here. And I don't even have a very punk demeanor. I have more of like a hippie, chill, I clearly have anxiety type demeanor. And I am very friendly when I go up and like talk to people at the gas station, like, hi, how's your day going? And like try to put on the biggest smile that I can so they know that I'm not, I don't even know what they think I am, but the whole vibe changes because you can just tell, especially when you have empathy like I have empathy, you can just tell what people are thinking, and it sucks a lot of the time, but yeah, I can't change that. Like I said, I don't understand. This is just my own conclusion. And I think I'm actually looking for answers from you guys or from somebody from the Midwest. And what is so off-putting about me that people don't even want to look, like make eye contact with me when I'm talking to them at the gas station? I guess, and this is just from my own conclusion, which I'm hoping that I'm wrong, but after the comment that I heard today, I don't know. I was getting another coffee and leaving the gas station, and some guy sitting in a chair near this casino thing in a gas station. Gas stations here are very different. I heard him say under his breath to the coworker, "She's not taking my guns." What? And then it hit me. They don't like me because they think I'm a Democrat. That has to be it. That has to be the conclusion, because why else would he say that? I don't want to take away your guns. I don't know you. I just wanted to buy my coffee and leave. So I'm getting that the notion that because I have blue hair and tattoos, that they just assume my political stance, which I don't want to be affiliated with either. And it was a little discouraging today, I'm not gonna lie, because there's a lot of things that I want to do out here, and I would love to meet a lot of these people and get to know them and get to know about their lives. Like, honestly, farm life is really interesting to me. I'd love to learn about it. But when I'm just getting these vibes of that people don't want me around and don't want to talk to me, it's just really discouraging. I'm not gonna let it stop me from doing everything, but there are definitely some things like the Amish buffet. I feel like I'd walk in the door and it would just be so awkward that I'd have to leave. So if you're from the Midwest, and if I walked into your gas station, why would you not want to talk to me? I genuinely want to expand my knowledge, and I'm curious. Is there something that is off-putting about me that makes me look unapproachable and unfriendly? Leave me a comment. Yeah, at least when I was in Nebraska last time, people there were a little bit nicer to me. At least the check-in lady at the hotel that I went to. And then I hit Colorado, and then I'm normal there. But yeah, strange day on the road. Tomorrow is going to be more fun. I will catch y'all on the next one.